Solve some more questions on this graph. The information given is that the income of company A in 2000 is equal to the income of company B in 2003, and the expenditure of company B in 2003 is 110 crores. Then number 1, what is the expenditure of company A in the year 2000? And number 2, what is the profit of company A in the year 2000?
Okay, I will solve one by one. The first question says, what is expenditure of company A in year 2000? And here the options are also given. Okay, in order to find expenditure of company A in 2000, profit percent of company A, and also its income in 2000 must be given. Now, on seeing graph in section 2000 and especially line with triangle handles, which is for company A, it is clear that A is gaining profit of 10%. So, income, oh no, how will I calculate this?
Don't you worry, Vidya. Form the table and get the answer.
Yes, here in 2000, company A gained 10% profit. Then if expenditure is rupees 100, then income must be 110. Further, on seeing the section of 2003 and line with square handles, it is clear that company B gained 60% profit. So, we can say if expenditure of company B in 2003 is rupees 100, then income must be rupees 160. Now in question, expenditure of company B in 2003 is given as 110 crore. Now according to the table of company B, we can say 100 is equivalent to 110. And thus income, that is 160, becomes equivalent to 160 into 110 upon 100 equals 176 crore. Further, according to the table of company A, 110 is equivalent to 176. Since 176 crore is the income of company A, and 100 must be equivalent to 100 into 176 upon 110 equals 160 crore. Am I right?
Yes, Vidya.
Now it becomes easy to solve data interpretation questions on income and expenditure.
Right. Let us solve this question in another way. In case of profit, income must be greater than expenditure. So, expenditure should get multiplied with the fraction greater than 1. That can further increase the value of income. Also, 60% profit gives two parts of MF, that is 100 and 160. Are you with me, Vidya?
Yes. Here expenditure of company B in 2003 is given as 110 crore. In order to get an income during profit, expenditure should get multiplied by fraction that is greater than 1, or whose numerator should be greater than denominator. Thus, income of company B in 2003 becomes 110 into 160 upon 100 equals 176 crore.
So true. Further, in the question, income of company B in 2003 is given same as income of company A in 2000 equals 176 crore. And profit of company A is given as 10%. Well, in case of profit, expenditure has to be less than income. So, income should be multiplied with a fraction less than 1.
Yes, I'm getting this. Let me solve. Here, income of company A is 176 crore and 10% profit gives two parts of MF as 100 and 110. Thus, expenditure of company A becomes 176 into 100 by 110 equals 160 crore, the required answer.
Correct, Vidya?
Yes, this approach has given good visualization. It is crystal-like clear in my mind.
Now take the next question, and it is, what is the profit of company A in the year 2000? And your options are,
Question is, what is profit of company A in year 2000? Okay, I know that profit is income minus expenditure. And this time, I will not calculate expenditure and income. I have already done this in previous question. They are 176 crore and 160 crore respectively.
well, you did not forget this time. Good.
So, profit is 176 minus 160 equal to 16 crore. Option 1 is correct.